Want to copy photos and videos from your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max to a USB flash drive? Here's the deal. Because iPhones don't natively support direct USB drive connections, you'll need a USB-C to USB adapter. Make sure your flash drive is formatted as exFAT or FAT32 for compatibility. NTFS is not supported. Keep in mind that transfers are reliable for small batches, but can be slow for larger amounts of data, typically 10 to 20 megabytes per second using USB 2.0 adapters. Battery drain is a known issue, so be prepared for potential power usage during longer transfers. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone 17. Select the photos and videos you want to transfer. You can select up to 1,000 items at once. Tap the Share icon and choose Save to Files. Now connect your USB drive using the adapter. In the Files app, navigate to the connected USB drive. Finally, copy the selected media files to the drive. One key tip: if your videos are stored only in iCloud, download them to your device first. Always eject the USB drive through the Files app after the transfer is complete to prevent data corruption.